A slightly strengthened and compact Hurricane Rick is closing in on Mexico's southern Pacific coast, heading toward a predicted landfall late Monday morning amid warnings of potential flash floods in the coastal mountains. National Hurricane Center said Rick had maximum sustained winds of 90 miles per hour late Sunday, and was expected to go ashore somewhere on the coast between the resort of Zihuatanejo and the seaport of Lazaro Cardenas. It was centered about 60 miles south of Zihuatanejo, and moving north at 6 miles per hour.
¡Ay, ya se van! ¡Ay! ¡Ya se van las cosas! ¡No manches! ¡Súbanse! ¡Ay, súbate deportiva! ¡Ay! ¡Ay, no manches! ¡Sus cosas! ¡No manches! ¡Ayúdalo! Agárralo. Ay, no manches. No manches. Vino bien feo. Ay. Es que está borracho también, creo.